Good morning. Today is a Sunday and we are on a trek to Yeoor Hills. It's in Thane. So how are you finding the trek?
I love it. It's so nice and so green.
So the trek is not very long, but there's a lot of wind, and as you can see behind me is the Thane city, and on this side is Sanjay Gandhi National Park. One side you can see it's just green, and the other side you can see the civilization. It's a very short trek, just half an hour walking and you are on the top, and from top you have an amazing view of the city and of the valley, and we did click a couple of pictures. Now it's time to head back. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram for more amazing pictures and subscribe to this channel for more amazing videos.